Welcome to the JMR64 Racing YouTube channel. This is a super late model driven by Patrick Staropoli and owned by Jim McCoy out of Hollywood, Florida. On Friday, November 24th and Saturday, November 25th, we went to the SRL Series Bill Bigley Senior 128 Memorial at the Freedom Factory in Bradenton, Florida with the JMR Racing super late model. We unloaded, went through technical inspection, then went on the track for practice. The car was decent and posted 5th fastest lap on tires that we raced on at Auburndale Speedway. We didn't put new tires on Friday night and it came back to haunt us on Saturday. The track was 25 degrees hotter and we could never get the handle on the car. Qualifying did not go well when the other car that qualified with us spun out and ruined our lap. Then we ran the B main. They took the top 3. We finished 4th. We then made some pretty big changes and ran the non-qualifiers race. We didn't get GoPro footage of that because we were working on the car and didn't have time to mount the GoPros. Please like, subscribe, and share on YouTube. We also comment if you like or dislike this video. I'm new at this, and so I welcome all suggestions. Thank you.
Non-qualifiers race. That'll be a 50-lap race coming up after this. All right, we are just about set and ready to get things fired up here. We've got our official pace car, Ford Mustang pace car, down on track. And race fans, we need to get these cars fired up. You want to count them down, and let's give them the most famous words in motorsports. We're going to count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.